Hey yo, it's your boy Barrick with a wave tutorial. I'll showing you how to get these waves easy. First you need to get this here all wet. Okay, let's do that right now. I'm kinda dripping. Okay, this is good, but I'm gonna put more in it. Okay, so basically I'm gonna need a shower gel, shampoo, whatever it be. I'm using this one. So basically you gotta soak that up real quick. As I said before, it's really easy. You just get this all soaked up. But first and foremost, you need to get this here all wet. Then add the shampoo or the body wash, whatever you're using. But I most recommend shampoo. Just gonna leave it more. That should be it. I gotta put this right here. Now we're gonna brush this boy up. So keep on brushing. You can probably do this for around 10 to 5 minutes. Depends on how good you want it to be. Keep on brushing. Let's keep on brushing it. That's it, so I'm gonna wash it all over now, make y'all see. That's it all dried up. And as you can see, it's actually, yeah, I'm gonna dry it a little bit more. Okay, y'all, this is it. So let me change my outfit again. You all see it? I have a bit of soap in mine, but I just take a shower after. But this is it, bro. As I was saying before, you only need a brush, or a shower gel, or a shampoo. Work with both anyways. Okay, so this is it. It's just a brush, or to do this. It's nothing really hard, it's just a two-step thing. I just said 3 because first you get your hair wet, then you add the shampoo or slash the body wash, or continue to brush it. That's it. And then just rinse it out and look like this. Nothing to worry about. You feel me? Yeah. Okay, stay tuned for other videos because I'm posting every week. So please subscribe to the channel. Actually, this is my first real video, so show me some love. Peace out.